This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine and phone together. Make sure the washer is powered, door closed, and network or Bluetooth active. This is necessary for diagnostics. Open the Samsung SmartThings or Smart Check app and choose your machine model. Once done, tap the Smart Check feature and follow the app prompts to send a one-time diagnostic signal. This initiates a short test sequence inside the washer. You'll see an upload or scanning indicator. Wait until it finishes before moving on. You now let the washer perform the diagnostic cycle while the app listens. During this phase, the machine measures sensors and motor performance to produce standardized codes. When the test completes, read the error code or detailed summary the app shows. The app often explains severity and suggested fixes. Make sure to record the exact code or take a screenshot, because those characters are what tech support or a repair manual will need. If multiple codes appear, address the highest priority one first. You finish by applying the recommended fixes in the app. Common actions include cleaning filters, reseating hoses, or resetting the machine. After each fix, rerun Smart Check to confirm the error is cleared. Verification prevents unnecessary service visits. If the code persists, contact Samsung support and provide your model number plus the saved diagnostic code for faster help. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app fails to connect, power cycle the washer and your phone. Re-enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.